Okay, so in this video we'll learn about how to add elements to a list, right? We have learned how to modify the elements. Now we'll see how we can add a new element to the list. Okay, so again the numbers, we have the list. So let's add another number. So the another number would be, let me put adding an element, adding an element to the end of a list, at the end, right? So there is a function called append, and I will add. Okay, now what this append function do, basically it will, after 9 it will add a value or the number which you are giving, or the in the list. So now you see it has added 10. Now to confirm that, we'll see, now it is 10, right? So it is added, we can see that visually, right? So that's how we can add, but that's not always the case, right? So I might need to add some element in between, right? So that's how we can do, right? So let's see that how we can do that. So we have a list called colors. Right after blue I want to add orange. Okay, so how can I do that? So inserting an element at a specific position. So in a specific position in the so we have colors. So there is another function called insert function. Okay, so what it basically takes an argument, it will take the position first. So index, so like 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. So I am at 3, what I am on to orange. Okay, and then we'll see the colors. So now see, we have added orange between blue and yellow. So this is how we can add elements to the list. That's all for this video. See you in another video.